Hello friends, in this module you will see the use of input function. Input function is used to read the input from the keyboard, or you can say input function is used to receive the input from user at runtime. Whatever you enter as input, input function convert it into a string. So let's start with an example. I want to receive input from user. So display a message to user, enter value for x and for variable y, receive the input for variable y by using or display a message, enter value for y. Now print this x plus y. When you run this program, it will ask you for a value or to enter some value for variable x. My first value for variable x is Python and for variable y is IDLE. So using input function you can enter any value at runtime. But if you enter an integer value, input function converts it into a string. For example, here I am using numeric value for variable x10 and next is 45. So you can see the result 1045, because when you use input function it converts it into a string. So for computation you need to explicitly convert it into an integer. If you want to compute this into numeric value, so convert it into an integer value. For y, use int, so it will convert your string value into integer value and then compute your result. 10, 49. So now you can see the difference. If you want to convert it into floating values, so use float, .5 and 4.6. So here you can see the result. You can also add some message or text. Result equals to like this. When you run this program, the first value and the second value, so it will display message result, then the value x plus y, that is 87. So by using input you can enter any value at runtime, and input is also a built-in function. Thank you.